Good morning, welcome. This is Bruce, Tropics and Oceans. You see I'm down here on the beach about 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to start about a 5-mile walk and along the beach here. That is the Gulf of Mexico you see out there. Getting an early start. It's a nice cool morning for down here in the subtropics almost, and so we'll see how the day goes, see what sights we might see. Flat calm, so it looks like a beautiful day. So come along with me and we'll see what we see. Thanks. Well, there it is. The end of the day's journey is in sight, but it's still a long ways off. It's a casino. Water's still flat, calm. See out there in the distance a bunch of shrimpers out there around the artificial reef. It is a nice day to be out on the water or walking along the water on the beach, watching the birds. So I will continue on. Well, every so often I come across these diversions of the small creeks and drainages off the land into the Gulf, and it's a choice of wading through a couple of feet of water or just following them up to the bike walking path up here and take the bridge. But it just means you got to divert from the beach every so often, and there is this nice concrete slab to walk on, but it's kind of a pain. Kind of breaks the rhythm of the whole thing. So see, we can see the shrimpers out there, and more of these little docks, piers. I can say I've had some great times coming down here. Well, there's some historic places here along the Gulf of Mexico on the coast here. This is one of them. Plantation where Andrew Jackson Jr. lived. Other people like that. If you pan right over here, this is a state park. Got camping and stuff. It's down the road a bit here, and next to the road as you hear traffic go by. There's a small RV park, so you can park your little camper or whatever and walk across the road and you're in the Gulf. Swimming, fishing, a lot of people do that kind of stuff. So I'm on my way. I'm close to halfway on my journey here. So we'll just keep going. Other things have changed. For the most part, the sand beach is gone for a while. We've got some little spots of marshland coming up. But mainly it's a seawall, walking on concrete, which makes it real easy walking. And it's quite nice when the storm blows up and the waves hit this wall and splash over it. Kind of like down there in Havana, Cuba or something. Anyway, there's my goal coming into sight. Yeah. So moving along, warming up a bit. Nice day. Yeah, here behind the seawall and a lot of the places along behind the beach, you will see this marshland. In the distance, those are stands of live oak, ancient live oaks. They're really just after 11 years of Hurricane Katrina, they're just really coming back, barely coming back. They're still trying to put all full leaves and replace branches and things like that. But this is how this coast was. This is the natural coastline here. All these nice white sandy beaches that attract folks are pumped in. They're man-made, and that's true from here to Biloxi and on across the Mississippi Gulf Coast here. They're man-made beaches. So this, what you're looking at here, is more of what it was like before we got here and decided that we like beaches better than we like. State Park RV Park, and as you see, it's right across the street from the Gulf of Mexico. All right, at the entrance to the park, Buccaneer State Park. I've just got to go around this big open bay, and I'll be at the casino. I'll be at the end of my little hike here. And this kind of reminds me, Buccaneer State Park is, you know how much a pirate sells his corn on the cob for? A buccaneer. Yeah, well, I got bad jokes too. Anyway, I'm going to roll on down and put an end to this hike. Well, here you can see the natural landscape coming back now. On the Gulf side of the seawall, we got the marsh grasses filling back in, some of the shrubs, small trees, flowers. Natural landscape like it was before the beaches were made here. So around here, nature moves ahead, moves on. Whew, almost there, probably got just under a mile, about a mile to go I think here. And there's the mirage there on the horizon. Yes, there it is, my jumpy filming here. Okay, so I'm up here in the top of the parking garage at the casino. Took me about 2 hours to do the 5 miles. Looking out over the Gulf there, marshland. It's pretty much from here to a long ways over there to Louisiana is marsh, rivers. Tides coming in, you see it moving, boats coming in too. Anyway, it's been a great day and great hike, and maybe soon I'll be showing you some videos of how we got boats going up these bayous through the marsh. It's quite interesting country out here. Alright, that's it for the day.